Sorry, TikTok isn't available right now. How to unban TikTok? If you're seeing the message, sorry, TikTok isn't available right now, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it and get TikTok working again. The first thing to check is your internet connection, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or a good cellular data. If the connection is weak or unstable, TikTok might not load properly. Then go update the TikTok app. Outdated versions are still banned and can cause some issues, so go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. You will definitely find an update, so install it, and once updated, open the app again and see if it works. If it doesn't work, you can have some corrupted cache files that can cause this issue. So to clear cache on Android, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, Storage, tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, unfortunately, it's not allowed to clear the cache directly, but you can try something out in uninstalling the app and reinstalling it again. TikTok might be down due to server problems, so to check this, visit websites like Down Detector, and you will see if the servers are down or not. And if everything looks good and it's still not working, try restarting your device. And try unblocking TikTok if banned in your country and reinstalling the app again. If none of these steps works, which is very odd, you can check with TikTok support. So you can do this directly from the app by going to Profile, Settings, Report a Problem, and submitting your issue. There you have it. Thanks for watching.